Hello everyone, in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal banana pancake. It's a very simple banana oatmeal recipe which is very simple to make and is a perfect breakfast recipe. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. For all the new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. Let's start making our banana oatmeal pancake. I'm using 2 bananas. This is our ingredients: 1 cup of oatmeal and 1 egg, which is a room temperature egg. So let's start making it. So I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is all our simple ingredients, and as well I'm using a ½ cup of milk. So let's start peeling up our banana and start making our banana oatmeal pancake recipe. So I'm just going to peel this, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button on this video and click the notification bell to get updated of my new recipe. So I'll just peel off the banana. You can as well use 1 banana, but I just want that richness and that flavor of banana to still remain in my oatmeal pancake. So I'll just cut it into smaller size. As I said, you can use 1 banana, anything you feel like using. So I'm using just 2 bananas to get that fluffy pancake recipe, that perfect breakfast recipe. So I'm just going to transfer my cut banana into my bowl, and let's start making it with the blender. You can as well just use your fork to match your banana, but I just found that perfect and mixed pancake dough. So I'm going to add my 1 cup of oatmeal, then I'm going to crack an egg into the blender jar as well. Then I'll just go ahead and add my ½ cup of milk just to give that liquid to make the blender blend smoothly. So I just crack my egg. I had my ½ cup of milk. If you've not liked, please do not forget to hit the like button on this video to encourage us to do more, and remember to share this video with your loved ones. So let's just blend it. You don't need to over blend it, you just need to blend it for a minute to get that perfect pancake dough that you're looking for, to combine all your banana and your oatmeal with your ingredients to get that perfect pancake dough. So if you've not liked, please like and drop down all your nice comment in the comment section. Drop all your comment down there. I'm always there to answer it. So let's transfer this into a bowl, then we'll start making our pancake. But before that, I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of my baking powder. Just it's nice to add your baking powder to your pancake, but if you feel like skipping it, you can skip your baking powder, but I normally add baking powder to my pancake dough. So let me just give it a quick mix. I'm not going to over mix this. You can as well leave this to rest for 10 minutes, but I'm going to skip that because my kids can't wait to eat this banana oatmeal pancake recipe. They can't wait for this simple breakfast recipe. So I just give it a mix. I want you to see how the pancake dough look creamy and it look rich with banana and oatmeal. So let's just give that quick mix to give our pancake a well mixed flavor. So I'll just add a little amount of butter, not too much, just to rub my pan. You can as well skip it. Sometimes I normally skip butter in my pan, and as well I normally skip oil. So I'm just going to add my pancake dough into the pan just to bake it for 3 to 5 minutes in one side and in both sides. Once the pancake starts busting that bubble, it means your pancake is about to be ready for you to flip it to the other side. So you are going to repeat this procedure with all your pancake dough, which is your banana oatmeal pancake dough. So you're just going to repeat it. So it's time for us to flip it to the other side. If you've not liked, please remember to give us a like, and if you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updated of my new delicious and healthy recipe. So I'm just going to repeat the same procedure with the remaining dough. So I'm going to flip it to the other side. You can as well make this a banana oatmeal pancake as mini pancake. You can just make it mini pancake. It's perfect for a baby. It's a perfect and healthy oatmeal banana pancake for baby and even for everyone. So I'm just going to add my slice of banana just to give it more richness. And at this stage, you can see how it looks beautiful and it looks healthy. So please do not forget to like this video and let me know what you think in the comment section once you try this healthy oatmeal banana pancake. So I'm going to enjoy this with a touch of syrup. I'm going to add my syrup to it. You can as well use honey to eat this. You can as well add strawberry to it. Any fruit or vegetables you feel like adding to it, go just feel free and add it. So I'm just going to add my syrup to enjoy my pancake, which is my banana oatmeal pancake. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you've not, please do not forget to subscribe to encourage us to do more video. It costs you nothing but encourage me to do more of this simple breakfast recipe, which is healthy breakfast recipe, and it's very easy to prepare. So thanks so much for watching this my healthy banana oatmeal pancake recipe, and do not forget to like and share with your friends. I guess I'll see you in my next recipe. Please be safe out there, and bye bye.